Hi, this is Bob Jones. Welcome to another Neighbor to the Gordie Howe Bridge video. The April update is coming soon. However, while gathering video footage on April 6th, the Detroit River was bustling with more activity than I've seen before. Quite a different perspective from 300 feet in the air. Please like and subscribe. It's free and really helps the channel. Thank you in advance for the help. So, fishing boats dotted the waterway up and down the Detroit River as far as you could see. Hundreds of people stowed their gear and motored out to where they planned to hook an unseen Gordie Howe Bridge Neighbour for dinner, the mighty walleye. As the weather warms and the water temperatures rise, the walleye, also known as pickerel, begin their spawning migration up the Detroit River. It is the biggest walleye migration in the world. Millions of walleye from Lake Erie enter the river to spawn. This is a highly anticipated event for local anglers and for fishermen from across the continent, as the walleye are not only an excellent table fare, but also put up a thrilling fight when hooked. Add commerce into the mix, as it is estimated that the walleye fishing alone bring in $1 million in revenue to communities along the Detroit River. Lake Erie, the Detroit River, and Lake St. Clair are some of the best freshwater fishing locations in the world. In addition to the walleye, fishermen on the Detroit River can also expect to catch other species that inhabit the river, including lake whitefish, sturgeon, silver bass, largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, steelhead, perch, bluegill, crappie, northern pike, and muskie. The diversity of the river's fishery is part of what draws so many anglers to its waters during this time of year. But in April and May, walleye is the target. The walleye, or pickerel, are in season during the spring run, providing anglers with the opportunity to land these prized game fish. As the water warms, the pickerel will become more active and aggressive, making them an exciting and rewarding catch for young and old anglers alike. So if you find yourself near the Detroit River in April or May, be sure to keep an eye out for the abundance of fishing boats. They're out there chasing the legendary walleye, one of the river's most celebrated annual events. If you're lucky and you know a fisherman, maybe you will be invited to have dinner with this unseen neighbor of the Gordie Howe Bridge. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.